Good morning, viewers. This is Gann Supremacy from the Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. Today, we are analyzing the Indian main index, that is Nifty 50 index. So, this is the monthly chart for the Nifty 50 index, and on your screen, you can see our Gann indicator based on the Gann's law of vibration applied to the monthly chart. So today we will be analyzing Nifty 50 index on various time frames for trend identification on the Nifty 50 index. So this is the monthly chart, and you can see the run from 2009 on the left bottom of the chart. So from 2009 we can see the index taking support on the trend defining line here in December 11. Then again we took support in September 13. Then we took support here. Again we took support here. And then this was the COVID fall where we went below the trend and then recovered the trend after 3 months. Now, after this COVID fall, we have failed to hit this trend defining line. So the trend is up for the Nifty 50. Here we came very near to the trend defining line in April 2025. So again there was no trend change here as we failed to close below this. So from 2009 till date we have got nearly one clear close below the trend defining line. So this will help you, this indicator which is available on TradingView platform under the name Gann Supremacy version 369, is a paid indicator and invite only indicator. So you need a subscription for this indicator. We have monthly, semi-annually and annual subscriptions for this. So for further details, you can contact the author on TradingView platform. So we can see that major support on the index or where the trend can change is currently on the monthly chart around 22,400 odd levels. Now let us come to the lower time frames. This is the weekly chart. So currently on the weekly chart, you can see trend change happened at 25,355 levels. Okay. And yesterday we back tested that level and we have again closed below the trend defining level. So coming to the daily time frame. So daily time frame, you saw the trend change on 8th of Jan and we got backtest nearly on 13th of Jan and 16th of Jan. And yesterday again we backtested here. These backtests were not exact, but still we came very near to the trend defining line. So that is the daily. So for daily, the trend to change currently, you need to close about 25,472. Okay, and yesterday's high is 25,440.9. So it is pretty decent trend identifier. This indicator will work for you when you need to get a clear idea about the trend, what is happening in markets. Okay. Now coming to the hourly chart. Hourly chart, we got a back test here on 2 days on 29 Jan and again 29 Jan in the morning. Then we tried to go up and we failed here. Okay. Now the trend change here at the fag end of the budget day around 25, 14 or 15 level. Okay. So as long as we are below the 25,000 level, we need to be careful on the Nifty 50 index. So if you'll see here, the trend change happened here on the close below here. Okay. Then we got a gap up opening. We could not sustain, no close above this. So trend down continued. We got a brief trend change for 2 3 hours. And then again we opened gap down on this day. Okay. So here also back tested, again back tested, trend change happened here on 20th Jan 1915, and we tried to move up, back tested 2 or 3 times here, went up, and this was the high. Okay, so yesterday we had a lower high, and aggressive traders know here the trend change happened. Okay, for aggressive traders, this is the trend change line. So this we do in our course on the indicator, which is available on our website www.gannsupremacy.com. So you can go and visit there for more details. Okay. Now coming to the intraday part, 15 minutes. We will be looking at 15 minutes and 5 minutes time frame. Okay. So let us come to the budget day. Okay. So we opened around the trend defining level here, then we dip below and we saw the trend change for the intraday happening on 10 a.m. candle. Then we went up and we hit here. Okay, so aggressive traders could take this as trend change level. Okay, and the trend change happened at 11:30. There was a pullback coming till here. Again, the aggressive traders trend line, and we when we went below this 25 320 odd level, the definite trend change happened, and then you can see the effect. So it was a event day, you had to be very careful on such dates. Okay, so again trend change happened in on 12:45 candle here. We tried to move up, but we failed here, a double top on 15 minutes time frame. We back tested, tried a pullback, made a lower high here, and again definite trend change we got at 25,000 level on the 15-minute chart. So the trend on the 15-minute charts is clearly down. We need to watch 25,000 levels for trend change. Mind you, this is a dynamic repainting indicator, so the levels will change accordingly when the price action starts moving again. Okay, so these are not any buy sell recommendations from my side. This is only useful for trend identification and take your decisions as per your risk reward ratio. So let us come to the scalping range, that is 5 minutes time frame, and see what happened on the budget day. Okay, so here we can see the sideways movement, and the trend change happened clearly here at 1140 candle. Then we went to the extremes, came back tested, and this was the momentum zone where we saw a deep fall coming in. Then we had a pullback, again support here, and then finally we got a trend change here. Okay. So on the 5 minutes time frame, you need to watch the 24,935 level for a trend change at the close of the day on the 1st of February. So this video was done to demonstrate the utility of the indicator, which is based on Gann's law of vibration, which will help you to and identify the trend and take your trades accordingly. So thank you for watching it till here. We will do the other indices in
Have a
the
great
next series
trading
of the
day ahead.
videos.
Bye for now.
Have